Come on, everyone! Look at all the beautiful flowers! Let's start the sparkling challenge right here! I've almost got it! Oh no! Whoa! That's embarrassing! I guess I need more practice. Woo! Almost fell! Come on! Let's find the sparkling flowers together! Oh, look! A withered flower! I need to help it! Oh, Flora, don't be sad! Let's make you feel better! Fairy May, I am so glad to see you! I feel it! Oh, Flora, what happened to your beautiful petals? Don't worry, we'll fix this together! We need to save the sparkling flower! Join me on this adventure through the garden! Welcome to the Sparkle Flower Challenge, friends! With this magical blue potion, we can make the flowers even brighter. Are you ready to begin? Welcome to the Sparkle Garden! Hello, Hydro! Are you ready for the wait, let's show them the magic! Don't worry, Flora, I've got you! Ah! Thank goodness you're here, Fairy May! I'll make everything sparkle again! Almost there! Whoa! That was close! You're doing great, Fairy May! Keep going!
Help, Fairy May! Catch the magical water!
Oh my, Hydro! It's beautiful!
We did it! We can complete the challenge together!
Oh, goodness, that was a bumpy landing! Where am I? Look, Hydro! It's right over here! Welcome to our Sparkling Flower Challenge! We have so many wonders to discover here! I feel so dry, Fairy May. I can't sparkle like the others. Don't worry, Flora. I know how to help you bloom again. Come on, Hydro, let's get the water back. Fine.
But I'm not happy about it.
Just a little more. Thank you. Whatever. Let's go, everyone. Together we can do this. Yay! Who's ready for the Sparkling Flower Challenge? Time for the Flower Challenge, Hydro. Oh, dear. I hope I can do this right. Just water them and they'll sparkle like this. Wow, that was so much fun! What wonderful magic! Are you ready to take on the Sparkling Flower Challenge? Woo! That was a lot of spinning! Everything's blurry! Maybe the treasure is over here? I'm ready to find it now! Oh, this floss! It's too much! You can do it, Hydro! Right, here I go! Oops! Let's go this way! Oh my goodness, that was exhausting but so much fun! Did you see me do it? You did great, Fairy May! Now, ready for the next challenge? Don't worry, Flora. Everyone struggles sometimes. Let's try again. Oh, a petal! Don't worry, I'll help you. Come on, Hydro, let's go! We have a challenge to win! You got it, Fairy May. Let's do this! I have something for you, Flora. A gift. It's just what I needed, thank you. Oh, hello there, little friend. That tickles. Come back and play. Oh my, careful. I got it. Whew. We did it, Hydro. All right, time for the Sparkling Flower Challenge. Ready to play and learn? Welcome, Flora. Are you ready for the Sparkling Flower Challenge? Oh, yes, Fairy May. I'm so excited. Welcome, friends, to the Sparkling Flower Challenge. Yeah. Let's find the brightest petals and earn some magic stars. I must be very careful with the glowing potion. Let's bring some sparkle to your day, Flora. Oh, Hydro, it's working. You're doing great, everyone. The Sparkling Flower Challenge is ready for you. Look, Fairy May, my stem is green now. Yes, Flora. Let's head to the challenge station. Look, Flora, it's time for the Sparkling Flower Challenge. Yay! I'm so excited. Welcome, everyone, to the Sparkling Flower Challenge. Look at all the beautiful colors. Let's learn and play together. Look, Flora, it's the Sparkling Flower Challenge. way. I made this just for you. Oh, it's perfect, Hydro. Thank you. Thank you, Fairy May, for your help. You're welcome, Flora. Now, shall we take on the Sparkling Flower Challenge? Oh, Flora, you're the most wonderful friend. And you too, May. Look, the sparkling flower is open. Let's start the challenge. Welcome, Fairy May. Let's start the Sparkling Flower Challenge. Oh, Flora, you look so bright and beautiful today.
Goodbye! I hope you had a wonderful time learning and playing.
I'm ready for the Sparkling Flower Challenge. Let's go!